did I choose my conversion name? Okay, this question came up last night, so let me just tell you that initially I wanted to have Batia Israel as my Jewish name because I love Israel so much, and Batia because of Bat Hashem and like all the sacrifices and things that I went through for my conversion. I realized that this is the one that resonates me a lot. My rabbi suggested that the Israel name is very manly name, so he suggested that I should just have Batya, and I think it is the right choice. You can have 1, 2, or 3 names. Actually, my friends just had 3 names. She has a name under the Rabbanut, and she did another conversion in Bnei Barak, and she got 3 names. When she registered her legal names in the Misrad Hap name, she got 3 names. The suggestion is you can choose any scriptural character from the Tanakh, from the Torah, that resonates you a lot. If ever you find it very difficult, pray, ask Hashem, He's gonna help you, because I also did the same thing. I was in the gym when I asked Hashem and I got that name Batya.